One of the most beautiful things about conservation is being able to see art objects up close. But of course, our eyes have a limit and can do with some help. It's not just about microscopes. In this product review, we're going to try out 3 portable tools that connect to digital devices such as smartphones or laptops. Let's see how well they help magnify and improve our surface exploration and documentation. Conservators and future conservators, this one is for you. Let's go. Hey, it's Diana from Beneath Art. If you're new here, welcome. We see the future in digital skills and want to improve the way we research artworks to understand and conserve them better. Today, we're going to be talking about microscopes. These days, innovation has made getting things portable easier than ever. If you're not using them yet during your examinations or studies, you should. They're super helpful in fieldwork or part of your documentation process, or just to understand what's happening mid-treatment. And because budgets are one of the most annoying factors when planning for your research or just wanting to improve your research game, we've selected tools from $5 to $2,000, so there's going to be something for everyone. First things first. All the reviews in this video are my personal opinion and I'm not being paid for any advertising. I ended up with these 3 products over the course of the year as I was looking for a tool that I could take around with me when I look at paintings. I needed something mobile and could produce good photos to better my understanding of the surface. And I thought, why not share these products with you guys? We're going to rank these 3 tools by price, image clarity, functions, and overall user experience. These will be used to study a painting I've got by a Malaysian artist. First up, a smartphone microscope converter. I picked this up in Kmart, Australia when I was walking around the other day in the kids section. On the box it says 30 times magnification and can easily attach to your own media device. Batteries are included, which is a plus, and it only costs $5. This really goes to show that you can produce a result even on a low budget. Okay, so we're just cleaning the lens a bit. Here's the box, pretty simple. Just gonna open it up. Okay, so you see there's an instruction manual, which is great, so it teaches you how to set it up. This is actually for kids, but you can even replace the batteries. The device is pretty straightforward, simple. It is like a little clasp mechanism, so you just lift that, put it over your camera lens. I'm using an iPhone X, and yeah, it's pretty much it. It has that weird black thing, but make sure you adjust it. Okay, so we're just going to go over the painting now. Don't be too bothered with the black outline of the microscope. You can see there's a little internal light that actually turns on. You can zoom in and yeah, the image is pretty sharp. You can see a couple of dust over there. On the right, you actually see we tested this out on Android phone, which is the Samsung Note 9. And here, we're just looking at the canvas weave, little signature in graphite. You can take photos and it's pretty sharp, I would say. Pretty good. And for our second product. This one is made by Moment, one of my favorite gear makers for smartphone photography. They're based in the US and started in 2013 on Kickstarter and have since expanded so quickly. I've got a 18mm wide lens which I use for outdoor photography and also for large paintings, so I decided to check out their macro lens as well. The M series macro 10x magnification lens retails at $110 which comes up to about 180 Aussie dollars. It is super portable and connects to most Apple, Google, Samsung, and OnePlus devices as long as you've got a Moment photo case. The lens comes with a removable diffuser hood for perfect focus and is covered by Moment's lifetime warranty. The M series interface has a simple twist and lock design, so you can lock in your lens and maximize the use of your camera. I'm not 100% convinced though if 10x magnification is enough, so I think it's time to give it a try. And this is how we attach the lens. So it comes with the diffuser hood, and you can see the line on the phone casing. Align it with the line on the lens. Just twist and lock. There you go. Just gonna shake it a bit and make sure it's really tight. Gah! Super. we're ready. Okay, so you can see this is how you take off the diffuser hood, but we're not gonna worry about that now. Just gonna turn on the camera app, and there we go. The diffuser hood actually really helps with the focus, so it keeps a certain distance away from the camera so that the macro is on all time. As you can see, I'm just moving around and it's really good. It's so sharp. And here we go again on the back, going through the graphite bits and taking a photo, and you can see it's really sharp. Image clarity is there. You can really see the details, and I guess having a good phone with a good megapixel helps as well. Now, here it is without the diffuser. You can get closer to the subject, but as you can see, my hands are shaking a bit because the diffuser hood really helps to maintain the focus. I'm gonna try to take a photo. Okay, a bit hard. I'm a bit worried as well. I don't want to drop the phone on the painting. So, okay, I managed to take one. Not too bad. I can see the brush strokes, but a bit blurry on the top. Yeah, I would definitely suggest using it with the diffuser. And our third product, the Dynalite Digital Microscope. They've got a wide range and prices start from about $500. This model here is from the Edge series. It has 5 megapixels, flexible LED control, 8 LED lights, adjustable polarizer which is useful for glossy surfaces, and it zooms from 10 to 220 times magnification. It has video recording functions and a software that comes with it. So with this product, you pretty much have full control, and it's a pretty powerful tool. The difference with the previous two products is that it requires a laptop or a desktop to run this, and it connects via USB. So that might be something to think about if your laptop has USB-C connectors, so you have to get an adapter. And that also means that you'll need a laptop when you're using this tool. This model here is the AM7915MZT, and it retails for approximately 2,000 Aussie dollars. I personally use it for my fieldwork research for the documentation of samples and painting surfaces, so I'm pretty curious to see how this one ranks with the other two portable devices. Okay, so we just connected the microscope to the laptop, and you can see the LED lights there. Polarizer is twist and turn to adjust, so is the magnifier. You just put it over the surface of the painting. The lens cap kind of separates it a bit, and this is what I'm seeing on screen as I twist for the magnification. But of course, the higher the magnification, it gets a bit darker, so this is where you adjust the LED from the software itself, and it doesn't show the pop-up on the screen, but I'm adjusting the LED brightness. Over here on the back, we're doing the same with the graphite bit, and you can see it gets really close. This is about 175 times magnification. There's also this measuring tool which I like. One thing though is that I think this software works better on the Windows interface. So what you're seeing now is the Mac interface, and I'm just gonna try to adjust the light control, and over there you can see it, but a lot of the other functions are not available, such as live measurements, but you can do all that later. And now for the reviews. So if you remember, in the beginning we were going to rank them by price, image clarity, functions, and overall user experience. For price, Kmart tops it, going for just $5. However, our value for money choice is the Moment Macro Lens. For image clarity, we're going with the Moment Macro Lens. The Dynalite Edge is a bit sensitive and can be a bit blurry, so we recommend having an arm extender. The Dynalite Edge has lots of functions, especially when you use it on a Windows interface. What I really like is the ability to adjust the magnification as well as the LED light, so that really helps when it comes with glossy paintings. The Moment Macro Lens tops it for user experience. It's so easy to attach it to your phone, and you can use it for other things that are not conservation, like taking photos for Instagram. And there you have it. I hope you liked this product review and found it useful. Links to these products are down in the description below. Go on and give us a like to let us know you enjoy our video. Again, I'm Diana from Beneath Art. If you're new here, remember to hit subscribe to keep updated whenever we post a new video. You can also follow us on Instagram at beneath.art. If you know any other tools, we'd love to hear from you. Drop us some comments and let us know about your experience. I'm always on the lookout for budget-friendly products to test for portable conservation use, and we'll see you in the next video.